Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your own tutorial GUI, just like the one on screen. Before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel and like the video so you don't miss out on any future content. Let's get right into it. I will be linking this tutorial GUI in the description below. Now the only real scripting we have to do for this tutorial GUI is making it so this exit button will close the GUI. So we're going to insert a local script within the background, and I'm going to call this close tutorial. And we're going to start by defining our exit button. So local exit equals script.parent wait for child exit. Then simply below this we're going to write exit.mouse button 1 click connect function. Now we can write within this function simply script.parent.visible equals false. Now if we go into the game, we will load in, our tutorial GUI will be on the screen, and if we press exit, it will close. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you want to see more tutorials just like this one, be sure to subscribe to the channel with post notifications on so you don't miss out. See you in the next video.